Blizzard of '84.
My God, it's so horrible. And now it's fucked.
I have a phone in my hand. This is Aaron's car. I don't know if you can tell, but as you can see, it's up to his door. We are attempting to shovel ourselves out, and it's gonna be crazy. And hey there, YouTubers. This is a day in the life of Alex out in Ohio, not the Antarctica. Oh, is that a penguin? No, I'm just kidding. Seriously.